Alright y'all, today we're going to be making a creamy Tuscan chicken soup. For this we have some chicken obviously, we have a whole bunch of spinach, salt, paprika, a couple bell peppers, a couple onions, some whipping cream, chicken stock, Parmesan cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, and some egg noodles. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, hit that subscribe button and let's get to cooking. Hey y'all, so we're going to start with our 3 chicken breasts. We just want to dice them up. Alright, now that we got our chicken breasts all cut up, and we got a pot on a medium-high heat, we're just going to add a splash of olive oil to the bottom of our pan, drop our chicken in. We're going to hit this with some of our paprika. Some salt. And we're just going to get this, stir this around, start cooking it. Alright, so while our chicken is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and dice up our onions and our peppers. And this really depends on how much onion, how much pepper you want in yours. It's a soup, you could be pretty... Do pretty much what you want. You could also add garlic to it, if you wanted. And I think I'm only going to use the 1 large onion. Alright y'all, so our chicken is cooked. We're going to pull this out for right now. And depending on how much liquid you have in the bottom of your pan, you might need to drain it, but if you do drain it and set it to the side so you can re-add it in later. So we're going to go ahead and add in that 1 large onion. As well as those 2 bell peppers. Alright, so once our onions and peppers start to cook, we're going to take in 16 ounces of our sun-dried tomatoes that we've drained and just quickly diced up. Alright, so once all that's cooked and began to brown up, we're going to take 4 cups of chicken stock. And we're going to take 2 cups of our heavy cream. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. Once it begins to simmer, we're going to start by slowly melting in 1.5 cups of our shredded Parmesan cheese. And once it starts to boil, we're going to go ahead and add in our egg noodles. And we're going to let this cook for about 8 minutes. Alright, so once our pasta's cooked, we're going to add about 4 to 5 cups of spinach. It really depends on how much you want. We've gone ahead and turned our heat real low as well, and we're just adding it in gradually, because it will wilt and really reduce down as it heats up. And if you need to, you can always add more chicken stock. Once we have our spinach cooked in, we're just going to start taking and adding our chicken back in. And then we're just going to be ready to serve this up. Alright, y'all, and there you have it, a creamy Tuscan chicken soup. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.